Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat verification code not received or verification code verification is not happening on your Snapchat. For example, if you want to turn on the two-factor authentication and you have recently sent the verification code on your Snapchat and you are not receiving it, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check your spam messages if you have sent the verification code on your number. And after that, if you have sent verification code on your email, then you can also check your spam emails. And if you have already done that and you are still not getting the verification code, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply open the new tab here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Snapchat support. And after that, you have to simply search for the problem in Snapchat support. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on search button, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for the problem verification code. And if the problem is showing on your search result, then you can simply go for that. If it is not showing any kind of research result, then you can simply go back, and after that you have to simply open a new tab. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go for checking your account, that either problem is from your account side or their Snapchat. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply look for a form which you can fill so that you can tell Snapchat that what is the problem you are having. Here you can provide your username, your email, your mobile number, and after that you have to provide here description that I am not receiving verification code for my Snapchat account. And you can simply put all the details here, and you can simply fill the captcha, and you can simply submit the detail, and within few days you will get the email on your email address you have provided, and after that they will solve your problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.